That's right, guys. I got my new Fastway foot pegs. And they're around like what, 5 millimeters lower and maybe 5 millimeters back. A little lower and back, you can see the pin here. It's actually reversed, so they, instead of having the peg up high, is dropped down and back. So very simple design. You can also adjust with the inside about how much curve in. You know, like right now they're up, they're not completely level, so it keeps your knees better for your knees in the tank. There, holy crap! Yeah, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Wow. If you can see, I wonder who's made this up. Well, this is not easy to turn around now. Okay, so I gotta flip it before hitting that fucking tree. Right? Oh, shit. Oh, man, I've just made it. Okay. Slow her down. Okay. Get my weight all the way back. My butt's like over the rear fender. Yeah, this is the way it came up, this side. So far, having the little lower and back, just riding 2 minutes, I freaking think I should have done this a long time ago. It really feels an amazing upgrade. Yeah, guys. Try this big fucker. Right, more methodical. There we go, slower. Anyways, that's that. New Fastway foot pegs. So yeah, just getting used to them being a little lower and a little back and more grip, wider stance. Yeah, let's keep going. This is a fun little section here. Oh, fuck. I scraped my foot on the ground now. Just a little lower, but better. Otherwise, gotta watch out for those rocks. Look at this, they're gonna jump on me. Woo! Lots of traction right now. Whoa! Oh, I caught my elbow in the tree.